Hi friends, I ordered a few more soft pastels, so I wanted to share this unboxing with you. I did open it, I couldn't resist, I had to have a peek, but I will finish opening them now. I realized that I didn't have a lot of portrait pastels, so I wanted to top up my stash because as I've said before, I don't have a huge amount of pastels yet, as I'm just starting. So anyway, we'll just get right into this. I ordered some Jack Richeson pastels. They're hand rolled, and some are half sticks and some are full sticks. And I also ordered a few Rembrandt pastels. I don't have any of either one of these brands, so I thought I would try them out. If I can get the box open here. So here's that box. And then I'll do a swatching. I don't know if it'll be this time or next time. These look like beautiful pastels. Oh, I'm so excited to try these. I have a Sennelier set, the Paris collection of 120 half sticks, and I love them. They're creamy, smooth, and they go on so nicely, but there aren't a lot of portrait colors in them. And I'm a watercolor portrait artist, so I wanted to see if I could try my hand at pastel portraiture. Those are a little crumbled, but that's okay. Still very usable. Colors look really vibrant. I'll put them upside down here. They're well packaged. I can feel a weight difference, so I bet these are the Rembrandts. Yes, they are. They're a medium softness. They're still soft pastel. They're a medium softness. Now these weren't packaged very well, and I see there's some breakage, so I'll have to check those out after. And hopefully they're okay. If they're broken, that's okay. I just hope they're not crumbled. I usually break my pastels in half anyway, so that wouldn't be a big deal. And the balance in there. That's it. So those are the Rembrandts. Full sticks. And then we have All of these are Rembrandts as well. Guess I better be careful taking these out. Yeah, I can feel the difference in the softness. Definitely. A little piece broke off there, but that's okay. There we have it. So I'll have to do a swatching of these. I also noticed, now these are the Rembrandt, but they do have the light fastness on the label, which is really nice. Right there again. It's got the product name, the pigments. So I like that. And on the Jack Richeson, these are the full sticks. They're the handmade pastels. They also have the light fast reading here, which is nice. And on the the half sticks by Jack Richeson, I don't see the light fastness on those, but I'm sure we can find out what they are. Here's the difference in size between the half and the full. So I can't wait to swatch these and try them out. They did have to substitute. I can't remember the exact name of the place that I ordered them from. If you're anywhere in Ontario, it's just a little bit northern Ontario, Canada, where I ordered these from. King's. I'll put the name of the store in the video, but they were here very quickly, just maybe 3 days, I think. The half sticks are a little bit crumbled, so they probably could have packaged them a little bit better, but nothing broken, so a couple of cracks, but I think I can work with that for now anyway. But I don't throw any of the pastel dust or the crumbles out anyway. I'm gonna make them into new pastels. I'm just gonna fast forward through this swatching stage so I don't bore you too much. The Richeson pastels are soft and creamy, so nice to work with. Although they don't feel quite as soft as the Sennelier. These are the Rembrandt pastels, and they're definitely harder than the Richeson pastels. They're still considered a soft pastel, but they're more of a medium softness. But they're nice too. I really like working with them. They're silky as well and go on really nice. I made a little swatching book out of cheaper, I think it's Canson watercolor paper, and I just stitched it together, the signatures together, so that I have a little handmade sketchbook, if you will. And so I do all my swatching in there. I do my watercolor swatches and also pastels, anything in this little booklet. And when I was finished, I just cover the pastels up with tissue paper so that they don't smudge and make a mess within the book. So overall, I'm really happy with both the Jack Richeson and the Rembrandt pastels. Both are different variations of softness, Jack Richeson being much softer, Rembrandt's being a medium softness pastel, but both are highly pigmented and they're both nice and smooth and go on the paper very nicely. I would recommend both kinds. If you hung in till the end, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.